Hello everyone and welcome to another maths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 4 Additional Mathematics Chapter 8 Circular Measure Long Question Example 3. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Alright, let me read the question now. The diagram below shows a sector of circle OAB with center O. APQR is a rectangle and PMQ is an arc of a circle with center O. So this is the center O. So actually if you look in the diagram here, you can notice that O act as a midpoint for line AR guys. Okay, let us continue to read the question. The length of the arc AB is 28 cm. It is given that angle AOB is equals to 2 radians and AP is equals to 10 cm. Alright guys, the question asks to calculate angle POQ in radians, the perimeter of the shaded region and the area of the shaded region. Alright guys, I hope you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, well done guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions now. Okay, let's move to the solution. We're going to start to look from the question A, followed by question B, and lastly we're going to look at the question C. Okay, for question A, they asked to find the angle POQ in radians. So let me show to you what are the steps. So the step 1 is you need to find the length of AO, which is the radius of arc SAB guys. So from here we're going to use the formula of length of the arc, which is S equals to R theta. And since we are using the arc AB, so we need to find the radius of AO times with the theta here. In this case, the theta they already gave us is 2 radian. And the length of the arc is also given as 28 cm. Okay, proceed to the next step. So 28 is equals to 2R. So to find the radius, you need to divide 28 with 2. So from here you get your radius is equals to 14 cm. Alright, we have already finished the step 1. So let us proceed to the step 2. So once you have already get the step 1, so what you need to do is, so for the step 2, you need to find the length of the PO. So where is the length of the PO here? So I'm going to show you in the question. So this is the length of the PO guys. Okay. Because in the question they've already mentioned that AP is 10 cm. So we have already know this length. And the length AO we already found out is 14 cm, which is the radius of the sector AOB guys. So in order to find the angle of the sector POQ, first we need to find the angle within the AOP guys. Okay. So step 2, find the length PO. So PO square equals to 14 square plus 10 square. For this step, we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem calculation guys. Since your PO is the hypotenuse. So to find the length PO, you need to square root with 14 square plus 10 square. So you'll get your answer PO is equals to 17.2 cm. Okay, we have already got the step 2 where we have already find our length PO 17.2 cm. So for the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to find the angle of AOP guys. Okay, using the trigonometry. And once you find the length angle of AOP, then we can easily find our angle of sector POQ, since your angle AOP and angle ROQ are equal, since your O is the midpoint between the line A and R guys. So how are we going to find the angle POQ is very simple. You get the angle of the semicircle 180 degree and then you minus with the two angles over here respectively. So from there you can get your angle of POQ straightforward. Okay, I'm going to show you the remaining explanation in the next page. So please hold on for a moment. Okay, so the step 3, like I've mentioned, we need to calculate the angle of AOP using the trigonometric method. So what trigonometry we're going to use? So in this case, I use the tangent over here. So tangent angle AOP is equals to opposite over adjacent. So the opposite will be the 10 centimeter, which is the side of the rectangle, and then 14 centimeter, which will be the radius of the sector, guys. So from here, we can calculate our angle AOP. So angle AOP is equals to tangent inverse 10 over 14. So you press in the calculator, you should get your answer 0.6202 radian. Okay, by the way guys, before I forget, I want to remind you that when you key in the calculator, make sure you convert this into radian, guys. You don't calculate in terms of degree form. If you calculate in terms of degree form, you'll get your answer wrong. Okay, just a small reminder over here. So once you already calculate the angle of AOP, now we can proceed to calculate the angle of the sector POQ, guys. So how are we going to do that? So since angle AOP is equals to angle ROQ, which is also equals to 0.6202 radian, which you've already find here just now. Okay, this statement supported with my explanation which I've given earlier. So proceed to the next step. So angle POQ equals to pi minus 0.6202 minus 0.6202. Why pi? Pi is the angle of 180 degree, guys, in terms in radian. So you should get your answer approximate 1.9012 radian. Okay. By the way guys, just a small disclaimer over here. Your answer might not be getting exactly 1.9012, guys. Maybe if you look in your answer scheme, you'll get your answer maybe in 1.901314 or something like that, because we are using an approximation method here. But your answer is still considered acceptable, guys, because your answer is in the range. Okay, so proceed to the next question. So for the find the perimeter of the shaded region. So for the step 1, what you're going to do, so you're going to find the length of the arc PQ, guys. So as PQ is equals to r theta, so this is the length of the arc formula. So as PQ is equals to 17.2. How do we get the 17.2? We got it using the Pythagoras theorem method in the question A earlier. And then 1.9012 we have already find earlier in the question A. So you times, you will get your answer 32.7 centimeter. Okay, this is your length of the arc PQ, guys. Okay, so you've already get the length of the arc PQ. Then you can calculate the perimeter of the shaded region now. Okay, proceed to the next step. So to calculate the perimeter is equals to PQ plus the length of the arc PQ. So equals to PQ is 2 times 14. Why 2 times 14? Okay, I'm going to show you now. Okay, so PQ, like I mentioned here, O is actually the midpoint for the line AR, guys. So ARQP is a rectangle. So AO is a 14. So AR is equals to 2 times 14. And your length AR is equals to length PQ, guys. So that's why your length PQ is 14. Okay, we know the length PQ and we have already find the length of the arc PM. So from here we can find the perimeter easily. Okay, back to the question paper. Back to our solution. So from here, when you do the calculation, you should get your answer approximate 60.7 centimeter, guys. Okay, we have already find the perimeter. Okay, at the last question C, we are going to find the area of the shaded region. Okay. So to find the area of the shaded region, we're going to use this formula, guys, half r square theta minus sine theta. So this half r square sine theta, if you haven't learned the solution triangle, you'll be actually using this formula, guys, to find the area of a triangle. So half r square theta is the area of a sector. Half r square sine theta is the area of the triangle. So to find the area of the shaded region, you need to find half r square in the bracket theta minus sine theta. Remember, guys, your theta value must be in a radian, not degree, guys. Okay, proceed to the working. So to find the area of shaded region, we have already find the radius over here, which is 17.2. and then you've already find the angle theta, which is 1.9012 radian, and then you minus with the sign 1.9012, so you should get your answer. So this is your working 147.92 times with 0.9553. Proceed to the next step. So here you should get your answer approximate 141.31 centimeters square. So this is your final answer, guys. Okay, let me turn back the question paper for your reference. Okay, let me place it over here. Alright guys, that is all for my step-by-step working and solution for this question. Any question or feedback, feel free to put in the comment section, and before that, please let me your feedback, guys. How do you find out this question? Is this question easy or difficult? And most important thing, could you manage to solve this question? Put down in the comment section, guys. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Alright guys, thank you everyone for your support, and I will see you in the next video.